Hey everyone, welcome to our next day challenge. So today's problem is function composition. So in this we have an array of functions. They will be returning you some values. So we will be starting from a last function. The return value of that last function will be passed to the previous function. So let's see an example. So this you have a array of a function and initial value will be 4. So you will be passing to the last value. So that will be 2 into 4. The value of 2 into 4 is 8. That will be passed to the previous x. So this will be 8 into 8, which is 64. And then we will be passing 64 to the previous, that is 64 plus 1, which is 65. So solution would be, so here you have a function. We have catched initial value in this variable. Then for loop, the return value from the function is cached in the value variable. Then return the value. So this is through the traditional for loop. Let's talk about optimized way. So there in ES6 there is one more function which is a reduce write function which we can directly use over here. So let's see how we can use it. So this is what it look like. We use a reduce write where we have an accumulator and a result. So accumulator will be a function and a result will be the accumulated result, and x will be the initial value. Let's try and run this. Let's try and execute this. Thanks for watching.